Victorian elegance meets designer luxury in this masterfully rebuilt terrace just off the buzz of King Street shops. It truly is an amazing home and a one-off opportunity. Come with me and I'll show you through 36 Hordern Street, Newtown. Freestanding to the north and set on a private corner block with dual street frontage, this reinvented tri-level terrace is bathed in sunshine with an easy indoor-outdoor flow that's perfect for entertaining. Completely rebuilt, this turnkey property features high-end finishes and every creature comfort, from a master retreat and a separate self-contained studio to climate control and multiple living areas throughout. Features include 3 double bedrooms, all with built-ins, 2 with a balcony, and a top floor master retreat. There's a separate studio with private entry via Victoria Street, streamlined open living and dining with wide oak floorboards throughout, a Caesar stone gas kitchen with breakfast island bathed in northerly sun, bifolds to an alfresco lounge with built-in barbecue, covered dining terrace, designer bathrooms, and a guest powder room. So as you can see, a simply stunning home in a quiet, central and sought after location, close to all the great things that Newtown has to offer. I look forward to seeing you at the next open.